Hey all you Davison Middle School science students, it's Mrs. Kashara back with you to show you a simulation in case you don't have these materials and you're not understanding the directions. So here we have mom's nucleus in a cell, and the chromosomes are all inside this doing what they normally do, moving around. And in this simulation, we're looking at how the parents pass on some of the chromosomes to their offspring. And so out of the nucleus, the chromosomes will come out very randomly. And what they'll do is they'll line up and they'll start to pair up these chromosomes right in the center of the cell. And the ones that look together. Now the beads that are on each of the pipe cleaners are representing the genes of that particular pipe cleaner. From there, what they do, and you've seen this in the videos, they'll start to spread apart and they'll pull apart and they'll kind of line up to the edge of mom's regular cell like this. Okay? And if you would, go ahead and pause the video here, and then that way you can draw mom's regular cells and what they look like and what kind of genes they are. That would be a good time. Over here, we have dad's cell, or nucleus, and dad's regular cell. And again, they're going to shake up a little bit in their movement and start to line up with matching chromosomes in the center of the cell. And then again, they will start to pull apart and line up on the edge of their cell. So there's dad's and there's mom's. You can go ahead and draw that on your worksheet. Pause the video here. And so then, now what we're going to do is we're going to take those separated chromosomes, and each of them are going to go in the reproductive cell. So here we have dad's reproductive cell, cell number 1, cell number 2. And you can see those chromosomes are going to be in each of those cells. Likewise, it's going to happen with mom. And we have mom's reproductive cell. Half the chromosomes go into one, and half the chromosomes are going to go into the other cell. Now, what is the offspring going to get? That's what we are questioning about, and how is that going to work? Well, and by the way, this is very, very random on how these pull apart and put into the reproductive. There's really no rhyme or reason to which ones go there. But in our next level, we're going to look to see, what is the kid going to get? Well, we have to flip a coin because the child is not going to receive all of the chromosomes. We did that first simulation where, my goodness, had it been 125 generations, the cell would have to be as big as the earth, and generations and generations just wouldn't survive. The cells could not hold all those chromosomes. So they split them up. And so we're going to decide which one they're going to take, cell number 1 or cell number 2 for mom. We'll do heads for 1, tails for 2. And that is heads. So the child from mom is going to receive all of these chromosomes. And for dad, going to have tails, and so that's going to come from dad's reproductive cell number 2. And then those are going to line up and match with those pairing chromosomes as we see in those karyotypes. At this time, go ahead and draw what you see. Pause your video so you can get an idea and show what the offspring is going to get. Have a good day.